Take off my makeup with me. Handsome Squidward edition. Alright, I'm gonna start with the bald cap. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this chin off without remover. Ah! Part of it. Ah! Oh my god, that hurts so bad! I used some Spirit gum remover. I can't. I literally can't. My skin is literally burning. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go shower. Get unready with me, Christmas tree edition. I take the star out of my hair. Gotta take these ornaments off. Watch this. We're gonna try using these. Oh. It smells like so many chemicals in here. The most painful for last. Get these lashes off. Thanks for watching. Get on. Take off my makeup with me. Like, am I just going to like, how? I can't see anything. Am I? Oh no, I made it. Oh my gosh, they're out. So I guess next step is just taking off this. I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. How did I do this? Oh gosh, okay, these gotta wait. I gotta get off the cotton first. Okay, this is the most chaotic take off my makeup with me I've ever done. I guess it's time for lashes now. Oh, this is probably really bad for my skin as well. Ah! Oh no.
Take off my makeup with me, Mummy edition. First, I'm going to take off this and this lovely Amazon wig. And now these contacts. This part should be interesting. This feels like taking off a mask, kind of. I guess we're just going to start down here. Someone should do at this and give me easier ways to get up SFX. This is all like latex too, but we're getting somewhere. What a nice pore strip we have here. And now that all that latex is off, time for the green clean pharmacy makeup pull away. Yay! And you're done. Not really though. I'm gonna go shower, as always. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
Take off my makeup with me, Grinch edition. I was just out in the snow. I have a shirt on, I swear, so it's already like coming off. Here's my neck. This is really a look right here. This is like if the Grinch was a Karen. Get the hat off, the sideburns. Oh my god. I really thought this wasn't gonna hurt. This is not going well. There's just hair everywhere. Guys, I'm actually getting scared. I'm stuck in here. Ah, we're getting somewhere. My baby hairs and eyebrows are gonna be completely gone. Oh, I'm gonna go shower.
Take off my makeup with me, Clown edition. This one should be pretty fun to take off. First, I'm gonna take off my wig and my contacts. And of course, my lashes. Now let's take off these teeth. What if I made a cool transition of me taking each of them off? Like this. It was kind of lame, but now for the latex. I just spilled my Spirit gum everywhere. I'm gonna use some Make It Melt to help me take it off. Please don't show skincare by Hiram this. My skin is screaming for help. This is so bad. And you're done, kind of. Wouldn't it be hilarious if Skincare by Hiram reacted to this? Take off my makeup with me. Devil edition. First, I'm gonna take out my contacts. And off my jewelry, which I literally got off Amazon. And now my horns, which I'm proud of, because I made them myself. They're literally model magic. I've seen a lot of people take off bald caps like this. It was also my first time ever using a bald cap, and I think I did pretty good. Okay, but tell me this isn't kind of satisfying. Let's spray some makeup melt. I would not be surprised if my face is stained. This literally looks like blood. By the way, I'm not just rubbing around for fun this time. I'm literally just trying to get it off the base of my skin. I have school tomorrow. This is not looking good. The last time I did this, it didn't stain. Well, you're done. That's the best I can do. My face is stained. Take off my makeup with me. Cyborg edition. This took me 10 hours. So if this isn't like go a little bit viral. And I have school in 4 hours. It's 3 in the morning. But I think it was worth it. First, I'm going to take out the contacts. And this single lash. Please admire this detail before I take it all off. I started this look at 4 p.m. And as I said, it's now literally 3 p.m. I'm at a.m. There's so many little things on this. Taking off this eye. Okay, this is painful. Satisfying. Now let's spray. Goodbye, my hard work. I'm getting there. Honestly, I've never been more proud of a look though. And you're done! Time to go finish my English homework at 3 in the morning.
Take off my makeup with me. The first thing I'm gonna do is take out my hair clips. The second thing I'm gonna do is take off my wig. Third, now that my wig is off, I'm gonna take off my eyelashes. 4, get a face wipe. It doesn't matter which face wipe you use, I like to use these. Now begin rubbing.
Take off my makeup with me. Recreation of my first viral look edition. I spent 5 hours on this and kind of obsessed, so let's just admire it. Okay, we're done now. First, I'm going to take out my lenses, the red one's from TGGI. Use code RUTHIE01 for money off. The white one is from Lens Nature. As usual, I'm going to spray my makeup melt by Bite. My eyes are watering. And now I'm gonna use my face halo. Now I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me. I don't really know what this look is, but admire it because it looks cool. And no, I still don't have makeup remover wipes, so I'm gonna spray it with water. I'm really missing makeup remover wipes because this is gonna take forever to take off. Baby wipe. And I'm gonna end up just taking off in the shower. I look so crazy. Okay, I'm gonna just go take a shower now.
Oh well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm pretty happy with this look, and I'm a little bit sad to be taking it off, but I'm tired and it needs to be done, so let's do it. I had to rip this thing off like 5 times for the video already, but I'll do it again, just for you. Because I had to rip it off like a lot of times, there's still like latex on my face. And blood in my teeth. But I'm gonna rip off the smile first. Ow. The reason I'm using tweezers is to not get my hands dirty. Now I'm gonna see if I can rip these parts off. Ooh. Never mind, it's not worth it. I'm just gonna go wash my face. And once again, I am not terrifying. Beautiful, thank you. Okay, I took most of it off. Don't worry, I'm gonna get the ear in the shower. I won't forget it this time. But you guys have an amazing day.
We're back with another Take Off This Look With Me. I am so tired. It is literally 3:38 a.m. And yes, you guys heard that right. a.m. We're gonna start removing this makeup by taking out these little pegs. I feel like I'm literally ripping them out of my skin. More pegs.
More pegs?
So I don't know why I keep calling them pegs, because they're like spikes or whatever. That would really hurt. Now that we've gotten all those off, time to take off our lashes. Now, of course, the contacts. Headband. Oh my goodness, I look pink, but I'm running out of time. See you guys after. And we're done. Thanks for watching. Until next time. And we're back with another Take Off This Look With Me. I'm not ready to take this off, because it's really about to hurt. Time for these pearly whites. There's so many. There are way too many of these. Now that we got all those teeth out, time to take off this bald cap. It didn't rip! Got it open. I feel like I ripped my hair out in the process though. And me, why don't you run? See me in a crowd. I gotta watch this. Time for the contacts. And wiping. We're running out of time. See you guys after. And we're done. Thanks for watching. Until next time.
Take off my makeup with me. Clown edition. First lashes. This is water-based paint, so I'm gonna spray it. Okay, tell me this isn't kind of cool though. I spent 6 hours on this look. It's literally not necessary to rub this in, but like, taking this off makes me so sad. When you forget you have a bottom lash on. I did this look on live too, so make sure to watch out for when I'm live. Into the many comments I'll probably get about just taking a shot. I don't film myself taking off my makeup for me. I do it for you guys because you like it. So my eyelids are stained. But you're done.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. Also, I'm sorry I haven't been doing that much special effects lately. It's because I'm still on vacation. It's been so long since I felt latex on my face. Let's take it off. I forgot how to do this. Okay, I think that was so easy. Look at how nasty this looks though. Now I just gotta wash the rest of this off. Your favorite nightmare fuel? And just like that, I am all clean.
With another Take Off This Look With Me. And yes, my eyelid is glued shut. First things first, let's get this wig off. Oh boy! I love me wig. Next, get these lashes. Well, lash. Now, it's time for a contact. Today I'm going to be removing my makeup with my Humpty Dumpty water. Then just begin spraying. It's literally dripping from my chin. It's oh my god. This looks so gross. It feels slimy. I'm not really too sure how I'm going to get my eyeball to open. This is so soothing taking off makeup. But then I remember I can't open my eye. Any recommendations? Anywho, I'm running out of time. Gotta go shower. See you guys after. And we're done. Thanks for watching. Until next.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. Also, sorry I have to be quiet again, because I always wait till everyone's asleep to film. I'm not afraid of anything, anymore. Silent screaming helps. Also, I have a little problem. I did my nails the other day, and I have no idea how to take my contacts out with nails. I feel like I'm gonna poke my eye out. Wish me luck. Okay, well, I mean, I got one, and my eye is still there, so let's try that again. You guys, it's stuck, and I can't take it out. I don't know what to do. Okay, I just had a mini heart attack, but I got it out. And of course, here's your favorite nightmare fuel. I took a shower, and I'm all clean now.